In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a specific text on website in Dorik. We'll start by signing in. Open your browser and head to the Dorik login page. Click the option to sign in, then choose your preferred method. If you're using Google, select your account to continue. Once you're authenticated, you'll land on your Dorik dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the site builder where you can make visual changes to your pages. Give the editor a moment to load everything, especially if your site has several sections. Next, click the text block you want to edit. You can select it directly on the canvas. If it's part of a larger section, you might need to click once to select the block and then click again to enter text editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a text cursor and a small formatting toolbar. Now highlight the exact word or phrase you want to color. Be precise with your selection so you don't accidentally change the color of extra spaces or punctuation. If you select too much, just drag to adjust the highlight until it covers only what you want. Look for the Color Options button in the formatting toolbar. It typically appears as a letter with an underline or a palette icon. Click it to open the color controls. Then, open the color picker. This is where you can choose your desired color. You can drag around the spectrum, adjust the brightness, or pick from any preset colors visible in the panel. Click the color you want, and your highlighted text will update immediately. If it doesn't, make sure the text is still highlighted and try again. You can always click a different color to change the look until it matches your design. For best results, pick a color that contrasts well with your background so the text remains readable. A quick tip: avoid using too many different colors on one page. Sticking to your brand palette helps keep things consistent and professional. When you're happy with the result, click away from the text area to deselect it and review the section. If you need to color another word or phrase, repeat the same process. Click the text block, highlight the portion, open the color options, pick your color, and confirm it looks good. That's it. You've just learned how to color specific text on your Dorik website quickly and cleanly.